Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? Hopefully I'm not too bright because I got the light on. It's dark outside. But we came to the manufacturer and creator of the AAD angle kit. AKA AAD Performance. We're here a little late, so they're kind of closed, but we're gonna go in, check out the place. We're gonna meet Parker, which runs AAD, and we're just gonna say what's up. We are in Missouri. We had to come by the main man, the creator and manufacturer of the angle kit, AAD Performance. My guy Parker. What's going on, brother?
Not too much. How we doing?
Great, great. Long drive, but we're finally here, and I'm excited to see the shop. Excited to see where this beautiful billet aluminum angle kit was produced.
Well, you come to the right spot.
Let's go. Come on, guys.
Yeah, we are definitely a little late.
Oh, wow. Here we got some displays. Like that's our Gen 6 Camaro stuff, S550 Mustang stuff. There's your Challenger.
So I definitely do need to upgrade a lot of my rear suspension arms. Wow. Seen a bunch of Instagram videos of this place. That's
For you.
okay, awesome. Need one of those. So I have idea. So the issue that I'm running into now is that the tie rod bolts will come loose and it'll kind of wiggle in here, or just do like make it a little lockout kit, or a piece of aluminum that will have this, maybe 3 different ones. So it'll have
Yeah, let me
this
pull
hole,
out that ain't
middle hole.
that bad an idea. We could do that.
Yeah.
I'll have to mail that to you. And then like when you bolt it on with the washer or whatever, just hold it in.
Yeah, that would be perfect, because that's the only issue that I've had with it so far, is just the tie rod bolt coming loose, and then it just kind of
Slides back.
wiggling around in there. But other than that, flawless. Thank you very much for doing what you did.
Well, perfect.
Because it completely changed the car. Like,
Yeah.
it's so much fun to drive now. It was fun before, obviously. Hellcats are fun, but it turned it to like a high performance drift car. I can't thank this guy enough, because it changed the game with the Hellcats. So make sure you guys go follow AAD Performance and tell them thank you for creating these angle kits.
So these are all the things that have color on. We normally keep like 2 weeks of stock of things that are anodized, because like, you know, if you made 100 of XYZ, you made 50 red ones and 50 black ones, the next day you'd sell 51 black ones, you know.
Of course, of course. It always works out like that.
All angle kit stuff.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Ready and waiting.
So if you guys are looking for an angle kit, make sure you order one. Use code HELLO for a small discount.
Doesn't have a color yet.
Oh, all bare alumina. Nice and shiny. That's a lot of parts.
It is ridiculous. Like,
A lot.
they will all be gone in a month.
Really.
Yeah, it's...
They already kind of conquered the Mopar. I don't want to just say Mopar, but the suspension arms in general for a lot of different platforms. Specifically the Mopars. They conquered the game.
Not just by far our biggest market, but like Camaro's really coming up. And also the Blackwings.
Okay.
Now the Blackwing guys are starting to get on the AAD train.
I love to see it.
Yeah, most of this stuff is Charter Challenger and a whole pile of angle kits.
What grade aluminum do you start with?
It's off 6061.
6061. Obviously starts in a big chunk.
Oh yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Now let me quit.
So take a look at all of these. That's a lot of parts stacked up. A lot of aluminum. That's a ton of material. So this is kind of the finished product, and then now we're going to take you through the entire process. If you do a quick 360, you can see this is not your average machine shop.
Pretty much. Yeah, we're like farm to table, but for race car shit.
I love it.
So like this machine, you know, it'll get apart like this, and it just does, you know, puts this slot in and then puts this pocket in.
Okay.
We'll just take this piece of material, and it works its way through. It cuts the first half, you flip it over, and it cuts the second half. Then it goes from there into that machine. And so they're just, you know, running it through.
Constantly rotating machinery.
And these are just saw cut out of sticks of material down there. I kind of just do prototypey shit on this. We're making mounting brackets right now for our new Hellcat rails, which will be out hopefully for Black Friday.
Fuel rails?
Yeah.
Nice.
Over here, this machine was just making the stainless inserts for all those trailing arms that are sitting over there.
Literally everything in-house. This is really cool to see. Most people...
You get it like in boxes from China and just put a sticker on it.
Exactly.
This is just scrap. Oh, I'll take you over there. I don't know if that'll make the video cut or not, but so the machines make little chips.
Yeah.
But it turns out that to get a decent scrap price, you have to mail the crap across the country.
Of course.
So fluffy shit, you can fill a whole semi-trailer up and it's only like 15,000 pounds because it just takes up so much space.
Yeah.
So we got a machine back there. We'll glance at it. Yeah, makes freaking hockey pucks like trash compactor. And then you get 2,500 pounds in a box.
That's what this is?
That is literally, that's scrap, but we're smashing it down so it fits in a box so we can load a semi-trailer up of 40,000 pounds to ship it.
Wow. 40,000 pounds of scrap aluminum. You can tell how much they produce at this place.
So this machine, this afternoon, we were just making these tapered shafts for like front upper control arms, and that's also on the bottom side of your angle kit too. But that starts as just a, 12-foot stick of stainless. Comes through that tube. You'll make the first tap over there and cut the snap ring groove and stuff. And then this the other side and grab it, pull it out, cut it off with that little tool, and then I'll take it over there and it'll put the hex on the top. And there's other random this is just stainless scrap. And the stainless scrap right now, our trash compactor guy gets mad at stainless. It is also, I was an idiot and stuck my hand here because I'm talking to you, but this is like razor blades. You don't want to pet it.
Yeah, it looks extremely sharp. It is mean.
It's literally steel, but because it's so fluffy, it's only maybe, 300 pounds or maybe full, it's not a lot. Yeah, all this stuff starts out like this. Oh, it goes to our big saw. This is the Hall of Mistakes over here. / also fab. Yeah, all the rear parts for the new LB platform will be for sale. Yeah, that was my high school car.
Yeah.
And then I painted it, and the paint didn't get hard, and PPG wouldn't stand behind it, and I couldn't afford more paint.
At least you still have it though.
Yeah, well, I never sell. It's a problem. I should get rid of things.
You got an addiction?
I have a problem.
I have the same problem.
This is there. It looks like this at my house too. Kit number 1.
001, the first angle kit ever for the Mopar platform.
Running it over 4x4s out in a parking lot.
I know, he was like that. I torture tested this thing, so you should be good to go.
We were trying to break it, so if somebody would break it, it'd be us. Next, we got to do the JDM Figaro.
Oh,
Probably not, but I don't know. Wait for Jixer. Again, Hall of Mistakes.
you're gonna put a 1000 in here?
Yeah.
That's gonna be insane.
I don't know. I'm excited about it. Everything I have like plans for.
So what year is this?
It's a 91.
91?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's the weirdest freaking thing. I don't know. A dude had it on Marketplace, and I was like, he took like some serious catfishing pictures. And so I got there and I'm like, oh, that's rough. And he's like, well, what do you give me for him? Oh, well, you give me $500, I'll be right back to my trailer.
Spare blower?
For fitment for a fuel reel.
So this is kind of the finished product?
Yep.
That's beautiful.
So that brings us back to where we started. So we've got like engraving lasers over there. So like all this stuff is just laser engraved. So you got that one does flat stuff and that one does round stuff. Yeah, we get some stuff in that like it was like a limited edition-y thing.
Yeah.
And now we're ending up with just a couple miscellaneous things. But it's interesting. It pairs really well with stuff. Like if somebody wanted Camaro, Camaro stuff and do like black and gold, that's sweet. And it even goes like for like 49ers colors, like the red and gold.
Oh, shit.
Like, it's pretty sweet.
It's super versatile.
It really is. I don't know. I wish they did more of it, but our Anodizing guys, like, they're just like a small shop. They just do us and Aeromotive, and that's like it. Aeromotive's like all red and black, so we got that, and we had to beg to get blue.
Comment down below if they should bring the gold back.
There's some purple fuel rails.
Ooh. Hold on now.
We had a full kit for some dude, and he was like, I want the fuel rails, but I don't need them yet.
Yeah, these are beautiful. Everything you guys do is just super high quality.
Well, we try to be like, what if Dodge made this? Like, we try to make, like the packaging and the instructions and the, whatever else, like try to make it like robust, like an OEM product, So over here, all our stuff is packaged in, like the foam there, like that. Sheets of billet foam and cut it out on these lasers.
When I said we're like farm to table for race car parts, I mean like
Literally.
we make the packaging and we print the instructions and like
Roughly, how much do you think you have in machines here?
Like 2.5 in CNC equipment, maybe, which actually is not when you think about it. I don't know. Well, that's like the first machine I ever bought. It's right there. I was still in my garage.
And I remember when I lied enough to get the loan.
And now
That was
here.
your old thing, but yeah, there's more now. Okay, this is a probably a boring part.
I don't think there's anything boring.
You might cut it or not. So that's a big laser, but that'll cut inch steel plate.
Oh shit.
Hence big laser, which it'll cut a lot thicker stuff, but most of the stuff we do is thinner-ish stuff. Those are all the baby turtles that didn't make it to the sea,
Wow.
which that's over several years, but a lot of that stuff's actually good, but it's just bad looking. Oh, there's all skeletons from tabs.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna need to grab a few of these from you as well.
But this is all scrap. But this thing's pretty sweet here. I'll just fire this up. But so you put the fluffy stuff in the top, and then the pucks come out the bottom.
That's so cool.
And then, yeah, we mail it all to Service Center Metals in Prince George, Virginia.
This is insane. Is this all aluminum? Or
Yeah,
just-
it's all aluminum. That's all since like July.
just a few months.
Yeah, it's like we do about 3 truckloads a year.
Wow. So 40,000 pounds.
Yeah, a little 120,000 pounds in scrap. Our aluminum supplier takes me golfing and shit.
I bet he does. He should be buying you steak dinners and all types of stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. SEMA crate, but we're not going this year. Sad phase.
I'll be there supporting you guys.
Have you heard of dimple dives before?
I have, yeah.
But so these are just set up. So that's a lot easier than putting the 2 pieces together and running the bolt through it. You know, bumper supports and other lightweight stuff that's made out of, thinner material. And so press spray.
A little bit of everything. But this place is insane.
Yeah, it kind of keeps going and going. That's why we got these scooters laying around all over. So it's like, if you're over there and you need a screwdriver from over here, see how like here's
Wow.
it's cost a dimple dive thing.
Oh my God.
Like 20 pounds off the front of your car.
Holy.
Might be 21. I don't know. I don't have our stuff memorized that well, I guess. But
Like, this is insanely like.
well, and you don't weigh. You weigh a reasonable amount, so be careful, but walk across it.
Oh my God. That's crazy.
And it's like
Super sturdy.
that light.
And does the dimpling come into the structure plug?
Yeah, it does. That's why you do it. Is because if it's just flat, it's kind of like a sheet of paper. Like, if you wiggle a sheet of paper, it's floppy.
Yeah.
But if you fold it a couple times, then it's stiffer. So that's the same idea behind that. But
Insane. Well, thank you very much for giving us a tour of this place.
absolutely.
Insane. Like, I'm pretty mind blown right now. There's a lot going on in here.
And new stuff all the time.
Yeah. So make sure you guys go follow AAD Performance on Instagram. Check out the website, aadperformance.com. Inquiry about angle kits, all types of suspension arms, Camaro, Mustang, Mopar, a little bit of everything. And like I said, use code HELLO for a small discount. And come shop, man. There's a lot of high quality parts here. Like he said earlier, he's not just outsourcing stuff and throwing his sticker on there. It's all made in-house, all extremely high quality parts. So make sure you guys go check it out. Thank you very much, Parker, for giving us a tour of this beautiful facility. There's a lot more parts than I thought there was. Like, there's a lot going on when it comes to CNCing and doing all the machinery. It's really cool to see. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Like I said, make sure you guys go follow AAD Performance on Instagram. Go to their website, check it out. If you got a Mustang, Camaro, Mopar, they make pretty much everything. So
We have a little tiny YouTube also.
okay, make sure you guys go subscribe.
They'll do a little more on.
Hell yeah, for sure. Make sure you guys go check that out. And yeah, once again, thank you, sir. Pleasure meeting you. We'll keep pushing this angle kit, and yeah, we're gonna have tons of fun with it in the future. We're still having tons of fun with it right now. Like I said, it completely changes the car. It changed the game. So Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for coming along for the tour. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.